Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here is my new poem. The title of the poem is I'm a Girl. I'm not telling you my gender. It's just about the talkative girls. I'm a girl. My tongue is always itching to speak, of course. You can never let it stop, my scissory tongue that loves to talk. Talk, 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 and continues talking. Oh, crazy, you can never stop it. With so many spicy, pungent, tangy, zesty, racy things to say, these petty cell phone packages are unable to satiate my desire to chat. How can I cease to exist? How can I stop? Life is short like time, and so many things to chat, prat, gibber, and say. Don't you remember? I'm a girl. I'm a girl. Thank you.